How to file your 2025 German tax return. Yeah, this is a common question some of our clients are always asking if we're in first contact. Today we're going to talk about your first tax return and how to do it. And welcome back here on G-Tax, and my name is Roland Elias. I'm a German tax advisor located in Germany and other countries around the world. Today it's about who and how are you doing your tax return. First of all, who has to do it? Who's the person who has to file a tax return in Germany? First things first, if you're a full tax resident in Germany, then you have to do your taxes in Germany. For example, income taxes, or if you run a business, there are some different business taxes. So first of all, you have to live with your family, for example, and you have to be 183 days in the year in Germany. This means employees, freelancers, and for all these people who have mixed incomes. Employees are the persons who have the thing they have, for example, rental income, foreign income, or something like this. People with income in 2025 can make or can do a tax return, but some of them have to. They have to if they are more than just an employee, but also for employee, it's always very good to do a tax return, because then it's like that you can say, okay, I get a little bit of money back. This is the tax return. If you have, for example, cost for your driving to work or some studies you are doing, then you can get money back. Foreigners always have to do a tax return in Germany if they have income above the so-called free incomes. For example, how to do it? You can do it via ELSTER. ELSTER is the official portal of the German government. Then you can use a tax software. Then you can have a tax advisor like me, or for example, you can do it yourself with a paper filing. But first thing, since 2025 it's not possible to do it paper filing. This is excluded. In the required forms, you have to do it. For example, the main forms are always the main tax return form. It's the so-called EST1A. It's the formula number EST1A. Then the form N for not income, for example, for employees. Then the thing for insurance, health insurance, retirement insurance, all this. Then if you have a foreign income, it's the so-called Anlage aus, AUS, for foreign income. And then additional annexes if you have more incomes above. Then, for example, it's very important to document all of your information you put into the tax filing, because if you put it in there, then you have to document it, and if the German government wants to know something, the so-called Finanzamt, then they will ask, and then you have to give them all the information. For example, you can do it via software. Then you can do it like your personal income, declare your incomes, information, and all of this. And then you send it to the Finanzamt, and then Finanzamt possibly can ask them questions. And then if you don't have any questions for Finanzamt, then it's a tax assessment notice, and then you get your refund, or you have to pay. So this is the easy process. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about how to file every single one of them, and I will tell you something about the different forms and annexes you have to know, and what's the possible to reduce some of your taxes, because in Germany, you decided yourself, you came to Germany in a high tax country. So do you have another questions? Then in the comment section below.